Hi there, Alan Moore here. Today I'd like to talk to you about the meaning of child for tax purposes. Confusion often exists as to whether or not a stepchild qualifies as a child for tax purposes. And the answer to that is that stepchild does qualify for income tax, CGT and CAT purposes. So let's just look at an example in relation to that. We have a situation here where X is age 60 and he gifts shares in his business to his stepson Y. And X, because Y is regarded as a child of X, X can get retirement relief under 599, which is where you pass a business effectively tax-free if you meet the conditions. And Y qualifies as a child and therefore can get CAT business relief. So the net result of that is that if the shares are worth 3 million, X will pay no CGT. In fact, the value is unlimited unless X happens to be aged over 66. And then the reduction in CAT means that the 3 million value becomes 300,000 because there's a 90% reduction. And then Y is not subject to CAT if, the 300,000 is covered by the parent-child threshold. So we get a similar question then in relation to an adopted child, and the issue is whether an adopted child qualifies as a child for tax purposes. And again, the answer there is yes, an adopted child does qualify. So we look at an example here. P is gifting shares in her business to her adopted daughter. And then subject to meeting the conditions for retirement relief, P can not pay any tax on the transfer of the business to the daughter, no capital gains tax. And then R, the recipient, gets CAT business relief, which is a 90% reduction. So we take the same figure of 3 million. P pays no CGT, and the reduction in CAT means the taxable value is 300,000 as opposed to 3 million. And R doesn't pay CAT on the 300,000 because it's under the parent-child threshold.